Hello buddies, welcome back. It's Anne-Sophie and today I'm gonna show you how you can customize the screen timeout on your Emporia tablet. And maybe the screen blacks out too soon, or you just want it to be activated longer. We will go to our settings and then go to display. And then you have screen timeout here, and when you click on it, you can choose between 15 seconds, 30 seconds, 1 minute, 2 minutes, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, and 30 minutes. Personally, I think 15 and 30 seconds are a bit too short. I always feel like it blacks out way too soon. 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 30 minutes are also a bit of a safety issue for me, because I feel like my device, my tablet or my phone is just on for too long, and then if I put it aside, forget to lock it, people could just get to it. But you can totally go ahead and choose whatever works best for you. I'm gonna go with 15 seconds for demonstration reasons right now, and then we will just wait. And now it dimmed a bit and now it's off. So if we turn it on again, need to put in our PIN, and then we're back. You can choose here whatever you like, whatever works best, and then just go back and then use your tablet as you used to. That's how you customize the screen timeout on your Emporia tablet. Hope you liked it, hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.